Tickle me.
Tickle you? I love tickling you when it's time to swing.
Mom, then tickle me. Mom, I don't want you to tickle me.
You had something in your mouth.
Mom, you know I don't want you to tickle me. Mom, don't tickle me, because else I'll punch you with this end.
Oh, that's true. I don't want to get poked. Look at your little hair flapping.
Boss, you gonna go down the slide for me?
Yeah.
No, it's probably too big for you to go down. You're probably too small. Alright. Yeah, last summer when you went down that slide, oh, you gotta be gentle. You gotta learn how to do it. Can you bump you a little bit?
Here's the backyard. What day is today? It is March 12th-ish? 10th? 10th? Yeah, something like that. We've been moving for the last week.